Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of one of the ocean's most colorful and important residents, the parrotfish. If you've ever gone snorkeling or diving on a coral reef, you've almost certainly seen these incredible creatures. I am Venant, the host, with scales that shimmer in every shade of turquoise, pink, and electric blue. They're like living jewels of the sea. But their beauty is just the beginning of their amazing story. The first thing you'll probably notice, besides their dazzling colors, is their mouth. It's not like most other fish. It's a hard, beak-like structure that gives them their name. And trust me, this beak isn't just for show. Parrotfish are the ultimate reef gardeners. They use this powerful mouth to scrape algae off coral. In doing so, they play a crucial role in keeping the reef clean and healthy, allowing the corals to thrive. Without them, algae could completely smother the reef. Now, let's talk about some of the superstars of the parrotfish family. First up, the incredible green humphead parrotfish. This is the giant of the family, growing over 1 meter long. As its name suggests, it's a massive greenish-blue fish with a very distinct large hump on its forehead. This isn't just a pretty face. The humphead uses its powerful body and beak to literally crunch and munch on chunks of coral, breaking them down to get to the algae within. They are true powerhouses of the reef ecosystem. Next, let's travel to the Caribbean to meet the stoplight parrotfish. This species has a fascinating social life and a very cool color-changing ability. They live in groups, and their appearance tells you their status. Most of the fish you'll see are in their initial phase, a mottled reddish-brown and white pattern. These are usually females, but the dominant male in the group looks completely different. He undergoes a dramatic transformation into the terminal phase, boasting a spectacular mix of bright green, blue, and orange, looking like a swimming traffic light. And here's a fun fact you might not know. What goes in must come out. After digesting the algae and coral bits, parrotfish excrete fine white sand. In fact, a single humphead parrotfish can produce hundreds of kilograms of sand every year. So, the next time you're relaxing on a beautiful white sandy beach in the tropics, you can thank a parrotfish for its hard work. They are literally the architects of paradise. Parrotfish are so much more than just a pretty face. They are vital engineers of the coral reef, creating habitats and even the very sand we love. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected life in the ocean is. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing fish, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next underwater adventure. I am Venant. See you next time.